SJVC was like my first step. So I remember when I came in here, I was talking to the advisor's office, and I was crying. I was telling the supervisor, I don't know if I can do it. I know a lot of people coming in here, they're professionals and they speak really good English. But then she was like, no, you will be fine. Just trust me, you're smart enough. You will do the orientation test. We will go from there. So I did it, and now I'm in the dean's list. I'm really good at it. So yeah, they were very helpful. They helped me a lot. I didn't think that I will be in this position in my life.
As pharm techs, you're the right hand of the pharmacist, and you fill all of the prescriptions. So the main thing a student needs to learn while they're here is how to accurately fill a prescription. Every type of prescription that could possibly come up in the field. From a cream or an ointment, a tablet, how to make capsules. They're taught every hands-on possible order that they could get out in the field.
SJVC was a good school because they're real hands-on, they're real involved with their students. When we're in the lab, we not only fill, but we learn how to do math, to fill IVs, to compound, and we just do a lot of hands-on.
So far into this program, it has been everything that I hoped for. It has made me more motivated to actually continue coming and actually continue moving forward. They just make you feel comfortable. The teacher makes you feel comfortable, the students make you feel comfortable, and it's just a place that now I feel comfortable going and I feel confident going.
So it's very helpful to have an instructor that's had a career as a pharmacist for 35 years. She's been out there longer than we've been alive, and she knows what goes on in a pharmacy.
I enjoy very much getting to pass on the knowledge that I acquired in pharmacy school and over the course of my career to my students. The main change I see in students as they come through the program, as it applies to pharmacy, is they become very organized, they become very detail-oriented, very respectful, very courteous to one another, and I think more on a personal level, they become more confident.
I feel like this school is getting me prepared to be a pharmacy technician. We're learning brand and generic names, we're learning manufacturer, we're learning everything. I'm excited to start my career as a pharmacy technician. I'm excited because there's so many job opportunities, and I'm excited to put all my knowledge that I've learned in school towards my work.
You feel like you're actually doing something with your life.